From training perspective and for audience engagement, you have to see the product or what we will learn together during this automation journey. But the real reason behind today's content is completely different and coming after. Challenge accepted. My name is AG and this is the Automation Channel. I have received tons of amazing feedback, which motivated me further to push my limits and try my level best to keep you engaged with a real experience in a real situations. Through a premium training content that would help you in building successful automation projects. But there were very negative feedback that reached the extreme limit about the reason behind this content and the limits of information that we can share together. I would clarify from now on that this content will never be connected to any paid courses or business, and I would try my level best to share with you all what I learned from the ground floor up to where I reach in 13 years of automation. Automation is an finite world, and the challenge is accepted. We have work to do, Jesse. Tonight we cook. PLC, SCADA, and DCS. Have a nice day.